Yo, Muli Brand, welcome back to yet another reaction. Zinalanga TT, Zinalanga Zinalanga Muli Madziwa, right? Zinalanga Muli Madziwa, but anyway, Zinalanga TT, Ndimankala Kunokuya say Koma, Dimacho Gera Kubo Tswana. One of my favorite artists to come out of Malawi is Rashley. Moni is the name of the song I'm reacting to today. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Go check out Rashley's YouTube and hit that subscribe button. You see that I am subscribed. Where's my hand? See? Do the same thing, okay?
Rashley. 1 2 1 2 sindifoka ndikuyesa zidabi ngakhale zikundida zidazi kumabe sindikwela zimpwayi musatengeneza ekti mafoto acha ndichabe mafoto koma ngati ndeka pa muntu ndikudusa muzintu kuti ndingolemba mavuto wanga akwana ngapo mabuku wanga musapusisike nuwazinsanga ndichimumwe chapoza pangope yanga ndiye mukandiona ndipase nimoni ndipase nimoni mungu ndipasa moni ndiye mukandiona ndipase nimoni ndipase nimoni mungu ndipasa moni kaya uli bwanji sikuyenda kaya ndihagi ndingofuna moni mundipase moni.
Hey, Kaya Mulibwanji. I think I understand that word. It said, but anyway, I think what the song is saying. Now this is kind of like a theme of my thing. Like, yo, give me money. Like, you see, I am struggling, guys. Maybe he's talking about him being an artist and people see him doing like normal, regular people stuff, and they're like, is that Rashley sitting in the back seat of a combi? Do you call them combis in Malawi? Minibus, minibus. I feel taxi. Yes. So like, give me money so I can live better. I don't know. I could be wrong. Let me know in the section.
Kaya ulibwanji sikuyenda kaya ndihagi ndingofuna moni mundipase moni tamuimbire panda pantundapo umufunse wadusamo utaweka kutawako kuti bola ine tamufunse jeni mesi melifa maipili hata kumangolira ndimo moya kukalira aliyese moto wa levo yake kumva kutenta pasazi yake anufeti kulimba sinikate kusimba ndiye mukawaona apase nimoni apase nimoni apase nimoni ndiye mukawaona apase nimoni apase nimoni apase nimoni kaya ulibwanji sikuyenda kaya ndihagi ndingofuna moni mundipase moni kaya ulibwanji sikuyenda kaya ndihagi ndingofuna moni mundipase moni 1 2 1 2 sindifoka ndikuyesa zidabi ngakhale zikundida zidazi kumabe sindikwela zimpwayi musatengeneza ekti mafoto acha ndichabe mafoto koma ngati ndeka pa muntu ndikudusa muzintu.
There's something where he's saying my photo, like, wait, don't take a picture of me, don't take a photo of me. I don't know. Why am I making everything up? Let me know in the comment section. I feel like I'm going to live with my own.
Ndipase nimoni, ndipase nimoni, mungu ndipasa moni, ndiye mukandiona, ndipase nimoni, ndipase nimoni, mungu ndipasa moni. Kaya ulibwanji sikuyenda kaya ndihagi ndingofuna moni Undipase Moni. Kaya uli bwanji. Siku
I like that I said money is money, but I don't know what that is. Let me know in the comment section. Because money isn't a llama, but money isn't a llama. So it wouldn't be, right? I feel like money, but he's not doing the thing. Maybe I just made up the whole thing about the whole thing. Let me know in the comments section.
kaya ni hali. Ndingofuna Moni. Undipase Moni.
Yeah, beautiful video as well. Beautiful video as expected. Thank you so much for joining in. Like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side. Please go check out Rashley's YouTube page. Beautiful. I think he has new videos that I have not reacted to, and that is a problem. So I will be reacting to his videos soon as I get more time like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the other side.